Oh my goodness. This 2005 CL600, I was in process of selling. You saw the video. I posted it on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist. And then all of a sudden, I take this car out for a drive just to make sure that the potential buyer is happy and satisfied with the car. And guess what? It started to act up again. Just watch. All right, guys, I'm driving this 2005 CL600. This is a twin turbo V12. This car is absolutely gorgeous. Has all the expected amenities that you expect from a Mercedes in this generation, 2005. The C215 chassis. This is the coupe version of the S-Class. It has 96,000 miles. I actually just put this one for sale on Facebook and Craigslist. So I want to show you the driving experience. There's no warning lights other than the TPMS, the tire pressure sensors. That's on because these are wheels that came off of a Mercedes SL 550. It has wheel speed sensors, but they might be different megahertz or they need to be programmed to the car. Sometimes these cars automatically pick up the wheel sensors, sometimes they don't. So this car here drives fantastic. I have it currently in sport mode right there. It's still functioning ABC. Also having a sport mode there. This is a very nice car. It handles very well. A bi-turbo or twin turbo V12. It drives just as you would expect it to. It pulls you forward. It not just launches you, but pulls you. The V12 is an incredible engine. And they can be easily tuned for crazy power. It's the same platform that the CL65 has, the AMG version. But let's see what this thing does. Let's go. Easily breaks traction in the rear. It just did that a little bit. I didn't try to. It just does it sometimes because it's a lot of power. It's a lot of torque. This is a very powerful car. 493 horsepower stock and I think 590 foot-pounds of torque. And you can feel every bit of it. The ABC suspension feels great. No warning lights. You can push this car, swing it around the corners, and it remains flat. That's the incredible aspect of ABC, active body control suspension, the hydraulic fluid suspension that Mercedes developed years back. It is very, very nice when functioning. Very expensive when it's not functioning properly. This car takes corners like a NASCAR. It's very incredible. For as big and heavy as this car is, it handles very well. Twin turbo. V12. So I'm pushing it so that I can, know what this car is before I sell it, because this might be a memory of mine that I hold dearly. Somebody buys it. Slow it down a little bit so I can punch it. Right, we have a problem here. You hear that? As I'm accelerating. When I'm giving it gas, I'm hearing some whining. What is that? What is that? What's the whining? Sounds like a turbo or something. Might be going out. What is that? It's lacking that power that it had just a few minutes ago. What is that? Do you hear it? I'll roll the window down so you can hear it. I can hear it inside the cabin. You hear that? What is that sound? This is a 2005 CL600 twin turbo V12. What's that whine? I'm lacking acceleration. I'm lacking acceleration. I'm lacking acceleration. What's going on here? That's why I wanted to drive this car, to see what it is and what it's not before I sell it. So now it has a slow takeoff and a whine. What is that? What's up, man? I don't know what that is. Look at that, no power. Sounds like transmission. Oh, shoot. I don't know if that's a turbo. That might be something else. I don't have a check engine light, but I'm about to park this thing. As soon as I start bragging on you, you want to start acting up. See what I'm saying? Something ain't right. Something ain't right. Okay, so I have it parked, and when you hit this gas, listen to it. What the freak is that? (2005) CL600 V12 twin turbo. What is that? It lacks power, and it does all that right there. What is that? What's causing it? And these are the codes. All right, for the transmission. Now let's see for the engine. Don't know what that means, but it's important. And let me see. I don't think that has anything to do with it. Nope. So I believe these are the fault codes that are relevant to the issue that I'm having. Gotta look them up and see what's going on. Yeah, just listen to it. That's bad. That's bad. Okay, so I turned the car off. I'm going to restart the car and see if that resets anything. All right, I always try that. See? So it's gone, but it's going to come back when driving it. So it goes away at startup and it comes back again while driving it. Now with the, let me see. Darn it, I did not mean to go back again. Let me see. Dang. Okay, let's just do system selection. Okay, now with the transmission causing that first issue, let's look at the code again. It should still be present. Now it's stored because it's no longer there because I turned the car off, turn it back on. Okay, so I'm going to clear that, but it's there, and we know that that is an issue. So it would come back again while driving. As of right now, it's not there. Just to make sure, exactly, because I just cleared it. Same thing with the engine. It should say stored, but not current. Let's see. Oh, current and stored. Okay. So that might be relevant. That might be relevant because it's still there. All right, let's see something. See if it clears it. See if it cleared it. Still there. So this is an issue.